The ProlineHD 18008 is a caulking gun that is designed to be used with 225mm tubes. It can dispense various materials including silicone, glue and masses with higher density. For best results, practice first on a different surface. After you have finished, clean the tool if necessary and make sure to store it properly. Here you can use the hanger. This caulking gun is part of the premium Proline product group, ProlineHD, which guarantees 10 years warranty. It has an aluminium body and is reinforced with a double guide that ensures precise piston movements. For more information, go to tme.eu.